This is the backyard or the front? Ah, this is your front. Okay, so we were at the back all the time yesterday. So this is now because it was dark. We couldn't see anything last night. That's going to be her Christmas tree for Christmas. Uh-huh. Yeah, we can walk all the way up there and then come back. Hey, that's where is that where you bought your corn? So that's the highway over there, out there. That's the entrance to Vanessa's house, which is that one over there. And these are Darren's boats. And we're going into her. Is this supposed to be a parking area? A parking space? What do you call it? So I think she calls it a warehouse. Because this is where, oh, this is the car that you were showing me. Is this going to be your car? Jared bought it. It's a Plymouth. And it's going to be restored, I think. They're into doing this thing. And these are all Darren's stuff. So many things. Hi, you have all of these all the way from the other house from New Haven? Where did you put all these stuff in New Haven? Oh my God, it's a lot. It's a whole warehouse. And what are you looking for now? The Keurig? Oh, you found it. Okay, good. And then maybe we could use this lampshade. Yeah, why not? For reading. Jay, go help. Okay, so this is our trip to the warehouse of Vanessa's. Oh, you have a big trash can here that's full of trash. You have to throw out. You can hear in the background there's a train. I don't know if I can see that. No, you can't see it. You can just hear it. Oh, there it is. There's the train. There, it's passing through. Oh, it's a long haul. These are not passenger trains. These are trains that carry goods and stuff. But it's a long, long train. And it's noisy. There, that's the end of it. Okay, this was the car that picked us up from the airport. And her neighbor is over there. kind of plants are these, Vanessa? Vanessa, you don't know? Let me just go here so we can see what plants these are. Oh, I don't really know also. Oh, it's got pods in there. Some kind of beans. That's the warehouse. Those are their cars. And we're going. That's the tour of the warehouse of Vanessa's. Oh, it's raining. The temperature is much higher now. We don't feel that much cold here. I think it's about 70 now, Vanessa, you said? She's got a welcome sign here, and as you can see, it really looks like she just moved in. It's an old house. She has to do a lot of fixing up. And we're going in at the front entrance. That's the tour of the, what do you call it again? Pole barn. I don't know the spelling, don't ask me. That's me.